Welcome back, kids. See now the fourth question. Z is given and A was given. So that is the last letter and A is the first letter. And likewise X is the third letter from the last and C is the third letter from the beginning. So likewise T was given. So you have to mention the T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So seventh letter from the last. So you have to identify which is the seventh letter from the first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Correct? So which will be the answer? So the answer will be G. Okay. So likewise here A, Z, B, C, X, D, D, W, E. Likewise it was given, right? Before and all one letter. Here two letters came, right? But no need to think about that and all, because the relationship between these letters will be same only. Like see here if it is A is present, the next letter to this is a B. It will come over here. Likewise C was given, right? After C what will come? D. So this will be given over here. Likewise B was asked, right? So after B what will come? That is a C. So that C you have to circle. Likewise A, B, C is there, B, C, D is there, right? So A is there. So after A, what will come? That should come over here. So likewise B is there. B after B, C D. After B, Q R. After L, M N. Right? So that M N you have to write circle it over here. So just look at this. This is like a continuous sequence of five letters. A B C D E P Q R S T G H I J K. So R S T it is U V. Right? Sorry. It is like a UV, correct? So next AAZBCD. Like a AA was given, BB was given. So here if it is a B, here the starting letter is C. Here it is a D, starting letter is E. So here it was a C. So starting letter will be D. So where the starting letter D is there. So here it is, right? So D, E, F will come as the answer. So it is very easy and interesting one. If you started doing it, it will be easy for you. Next, we are going to play one more game. So it is like a puzzle only. I'm clean when I'm black. I'm dirty when I'm white. What am I? So just think for 5 seconds and just say answer. So 41, 42, 43. So 5 seconds gone. The answer will be a blackboard. So blackboard will be black, but it will be clean. When I started writing something in that blackboard, it will become white and dirty. Okay. So shall we start the session? That means the third D. So this is the third. That means fourth one, fourth page in your book, kids. So this is also an analogy lesson only, but with the letters of two letters. Before till now we have seen only about the one letter. Within that one letter, some difference and some of the similarities will be there, correct? But here two letters were there. See, look at here. A B is given. C D was there. So you have to identify like this. That means A B. That means continuous words only should come. So if I want to get a continuous letters, I have to check which will come as a continuous letters. So this will be P Q R S, right? So I have to circle that. See, look at the second question. A C C A. That means reverse order of the first one will be the second one, right? Like a AC CA. See, check out XY. But here YX is there. This will be the answer. But here it is a YZ, so it won't be the answer. JKLK no. YUTU no. MNNM. So MNNM will be the answer, right? So that I have to circle over here. So the next is TSVU. See, it is like a reverse of the letters, correct? STUV. That will be coming like that only, right? Reverse of it. So you have to check it out. So AB won't come, ZA won't come, LK it will come. No. So definitely PQRT. That means QPTR will be the answer, correct? So this was the continuous letter. That means PQR, but T is there, right? S won't be there. So what will be the answer? Which will come as an answer over here? So that is an LKNM. So KLNM. So that will be the answer. KLNM. Is it clear? See, one more time I'm repeating. Here it is a TS, right? So we can say as a ST. That is a reverse order they was given there. Likewise here also VU we can say as a UV, correct? So like that only here also LK is given. That means KL we can mark and MN we can mark. Next one is the JUKV. So JK, it is a continuous one, correct? Likewise, UV is a continuous one. So J and K is related to, that means continuous one. Likewise, U and V is continuous one. So likewise, you have to check which is coming as the answer. So T after T U will come VW, correct? After T, U, V, after V, W. So the answer is T, V, U, W. So if any question is given to you, you have to just cross check with each and every answers whether that relationship is there or not. So after that only you have to identify the answers. Okay. So now here A, B, C was given. Then last two letter was coming. That last two letter is coming over here and the next letter. Correct. A, B, C. Then these two letters. That means the last two letters with the continuous letter. It was given over here. Correct or not? So like that here also you have to select the answer. First check out the with the A option. R, S, T, X, Z, Y was there. So it won't come. Correct. So what will be the answer for that? R, S, T. Then S, T, U. It will be the answer or not? Yes, it is an answer. That means continuous RST was given. The next ST, that last ST was mentioned over here and U was given as an answer. That means the continuous letter. Okay. The next is ATZ, ZTA. That means a reverse order they are writing it. See ATZ, then ZTA they were mentioned over here, right? So whatever is given over here, it will be coming as a reverse over here. So that I have to identify where it is. By looking itself, we can identify, right, where it is. Here it is, right? So TUX and XUT will be the answer, correct? So the next one, APQDST. Likewise, you have to check out for all these three, four. That means four things. Check out for all the four and identify by your own. It will be very easy only. You have to identify what is the difference and what is the similarity between these two letters. After that, it will be easy for us to identify. So the next one is and the same analogy, but with it's coming with a number now. See here, first it was on 476 and 674. That means it was written reverse order. 674 was given over here. Likewise, 719 is given there. Correct? 692 was given over here. Likewise, if I want to give, I have to write 539. Correct? So 539 will be the answer. Likewise, here if you are checking 732, 832, the difference between these two is 100. If I am adding 100 with 732, I will get 832, right? Likewise, 896 plus 100, 996. Likewise, if I am writing the answer for the 429, it will be a 529. Is it clear? Now, just look at this. 753, 703. That means the difference is a 50. 50 is a difference. If I am minusing or else subtracting a 50 from 753, I will get 703. Correct? Likewise, if I am minus, that means subtracting 50 from the 405, 355 will come. Likewise, in 979, if I am subtracting 50, what will be the answer? Yes, 929. It is an easiest one, right? See, check it here. It is here you are going to subtract only 3. Letter 3 you are going to subtract. See, 4163 was given. 4160 is there. But here 7289 is there. 7290 was given. So what is it? What does it means? In the first one, in the first sequence, you are subtracting 3. The second one, you are adding 1. In the third one, you are subtracting 2. Correct or not? So here it is a 3, you are subtracting, here you are subtracting 2, here you are adding 1, correct? So here you have to add one number, right? So if you are adding any of the number, here the following answers may come, right? Why I circle 6400 means here they just added only one value, right? But here if I am checking the answers, this is the smallest one apart from this. That means here only 4 was added. Here if you are checking, the 9 was added. So only these two is an added one. But in that, the minimum one I am just selecting, because here it will be like only few numbers will be added, right? Here it is 1 means here it may come 4, right? For that I circled over there. So all the 5, that means all the remaining 4 you can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8 and all. 4282 is there, 2141. So you have to identify the difference, or else what is the similarity in this, and you have to answer for that. That what it's called, the last question. Is it clear? So next one. So I just already prepared for this, but I'm not having enough time. For that only I'm just skipping to the next session. Okay, you just do this as a homework, but identify the similarities and inform to me. The like some you have to just write it down. What is the similarity over there? Okay. So next one is, see, in each of the following questions, there is a certain relation between two given numbers on the side of these two. That these two semicolons we already know, right? In the word and all we have seen, correct? Like a ship will be in the sea means a camel will be in the desert. Like that we just identified, right? Like that here also you are going to identify. Here you have to apply multiplication, division, whatever the possibilities are there within the two numbers you have to identify. Okay. See, first itself 6 is to, that means 6 is to 18 was given, right? What is the similarity, or else what is the, what it's called? How I can get 18 from 6? So if I am multiplying with the 3, I can get it 18, right? So this number, this 4, I have to multiply with the 3. So what will get? What I will get? 4 into 3, it is a 12, right? So that will be the answer. So first two numbers you have to check, you have to identify the similarity. After that you have to go for the next one. See here, 21 is to 3 is there. If I divide 21 divided by 3 will be 21 divided by 3 will be 7, right? So so 21 was divided by 7 in order to get a 3, correct? So I have to divide 700 by 10. That means I have to divide 700 by 7. So what will come? 100 will come, correct? So next is then 42, 21. If I divide 42 by 2, I will get 21, correct? If I divide 42 by 2, it will be, answer will be 21, right? So if I divide 28, the answer will be, if I divide 28 by 2, the answer will be 14, okay? See here the difference between these two numbers is then minus 100. That means 7500 is there, 7400 is there. So this value has to get minus 100 value, right? So here 4600 is there. So I will get 4500 as an answer. See here, if I multiply 12 into 5, I will get 60. Correct or not? So if I multiply 21 into 5, 21 into 5, that means if I multiply 21 and 5, what will be the answer? 105. See here, 14 140, that means 14 140 is there. Here the 100 is multiplied with this number, right? So I have to multiply 100 with this number, so 240 will be the answer. So likewise you have to do the remaining also. Is it clear? So this is, and what it's called, here the letter will also be there, number will also be there. So A 21, B 22 is there. So A, B 21, 22. So that is the similarity between there. So P after Q will come. So 94, 95 will be there. So Q 95 will be the answer. Is it clear? That means you have to identify the similarity between the letters also and numbers also all together here. It was given as a together option. So 90, that means A, B was there, A, B was there, and 21, 22 is there. So likewise, P after Q it will come. 94, 95 will be the answer. Check out for the next one. 9A8, 7B6. So here it is like a minus 1, 8, 9, 7, 6, right? So here A, B. Likewise, here also 6M5 will be the answer. Is it clear or not?